Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Xiaomi Redmi AirDots headphones to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to enable Bluetooth, then go to the Bluetooth section, then tap pair new device, and then you just have to select one of your pick one of your headphones, hold down the button on them, and when they're just like flashing this little light like non-stop, these headphones will appear here, and right now you can connect to them and tap pair, and as you can see right now I am connected to these headphones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.